Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two prerequisites. SBI Net Banking is active and your mobile number is registered for OTPs. Once logged into SBI Internet Banking, go straight to the Profile/Personal Details section. Don't wander through menus. Now choose the Email ID Update option and initiate adding your Gmail address. Make sure to spell the address correctly. Small typos block delivery. After submitting, SBI will send an OTP to your registered mobile. Keep that device at hand for the next step. Once you've entered your Gmail in SBI's update form, request the OTP and type it into the portal promptly, because time windows expire. After verification, SBI may send a confirmation email to your Gmail. Open it and click any confirmation link to complete the binding. Next, go to Account Services or eStatements and enable monthly eStatements plus instant transaction alerts. Make sure to select the correct account if you hold multiple accounts, so alerts and statements route to your Gmail correctly. To finish, trigger a small transaction or request an eStatement and confirm the email arrives in Gmail. This proves the link is live. If you don't get OTPs or confirmation emails, first verify that your mobile number registered with SBI matches the one receiving OTPs, and then request a resend. If issues persist, check Gmail's Spam and Promotions tabs, add SBI to contacts, and create a filter to keep alerts visible. Finally, contact SBI Help Desk or your branch to resolve persistent mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.